Have you ever lost or had a key malfunction?
Yes.
Did you pay to have it replaced or fixed?
Yes.
How much did it cost you?
$375.
How did that make you feel?
Great, actually, once my paycheck was small.
Yeah, well, yeah. Once you got it fixed, it made you feel good. But how'd you feel about spending $375 to get it fixed? Well, if that happens in the next year, because you're buying a new Honda from Galpin, we're going to provide you coverage for your keys. Now, you were smart because you had it replaced. Most people don't. But even when they don't, they end up paying for it because it literally affects the value of your vehicle, okay? Your vehicle's going to be worth more because you got 2 keys. But over the next year, if that key malfunctions, if you lose it, we are going to replace it. We'll do it up to twice. If you lose more than 2 keys, Keith, you're on your own. By the way, we'll pay for a locksmith for your house or apartment if you lose the rest of the keys on your entire key ring. In fact, we'll pay you an additional $200 to replace the rest of the keys in addition to the key to the car you're buying from us today. All right? By the way, it's good for a year. If you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than a year, you can always extend that coverage out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. Check with our finance department. They'll show you how to do that, okay?
Do they really cover the locksmith?
They'll cover a locksmith for your car, a locksmith for your house. They'll cover a substitute transportation. They'll cover towing. 1 key claim can run up to $950. Okay? But if you don't create the value, the customer's not going to get it. Okay?